Hi everyone, it's Thrift time! Do you wanna know how I transformed this Ukay-Ukay dress into something new? Then please keep on watching. First, I'll show you that it has a split at the back, a long invisible zipper at the back, and two shoulder pads at the shoulder line which I remove first. Then from the bottom, I mark up 14 inches, which is the measurement from your low waist to above the knee. I also retain the bottom hem to save time. Then draw a straight line across using a ruler. Cut it along the line but don't include the invisible zipper, because I will use the zipper at the back of the skirt later. This will serve as the bottom of the matching set. Then from the remaining piece, I also mark up 3 inches. It will serve as the waistband of the skirt. Draw a straight line across using a ruler and cut it after, but don't include also the invisible zipper. After cutting it, that's the time I fully remove the invisible zipper. The next thing that I did is that I get a sleeveless shirt and trace it to the remaining piece to create the front part. Then I added 1 inches to the sides because the shirt that I used is a stretchy fabric. The next step is I draw a straight line to the top, and then I get the center of it. Then from the center, I mark to its left and right 3.5 inches with a total of 7 inches, which is the neckline measurement. Then, from the 3.5 inches mark, I connect it to the underarm line to create a diagonal line. Then, cut it after tracing the line that I made. During cutting, what I did is that I cut first the side part going to the top half, then fold it over to the other side and cut it again to have a balanced size of the front piece. This is what the front piece looks like. Then the next step is hemming the sides of the front piece by folding it 2 times inward to hide the raw edges. After that, I cut strips with 1 inches width from the remaining fabric to create a very long ties. Then connect the strips to each other, right sides together, by sewing it diagonally. And the result must be something like this. Don't forget to cut the excess fabric. And then, I fold the 2 sides of the strips going to the center and fold it again. Then pin it to hold them in place and sew along the pins. After that, you should have something like this. Moving on to the front piece, I made a mark of 1.5 inches away from each other to both sides. I came up with 10 marks with 5 marks in each side, and then I cut 10 pieces bits from the long ties, which I'm going to attach to the side that I marked a while ago. cutting, I attach it to the sides of the front using a pin and sew it after. Result must be something like this. I cut the remaining ties in half and attach it to the top edge of the front. After sewing, insert the ties to the tunnels in the sides. Then our top is done. The next step is creating the bottom or the skirt of the matching set. From the top, I mark down 5 inches. We are going to create a dart at the back of the skirt. Then I mark 1 inch in each side of the dart. Then draw a diagonal line to create a triangular shape. This measurement depends upon your waistline and hip line, so you must try on first the skirt before making a measurement. And after that, sew along the line and repeat it to the other side. And the dart must be something like this. And the next step is I open the center back of the skirt to insert the zipper. But first, I attach the waistband to the top edge of the skirt using my pin and sew it after. Attaching the waistband, next step is attaching the zipper at the center back. I pin it first to the center of the waistband, going down to the center back. I attach it using a zipper put for easy sewing. And the invisible zipper is done. The last step in this project is finishing the waistband. What I did is that I fold it with half-inch allowance to hide the raw edge, then fold it again to create the second seam. And I finished this DIY. And this is the final transformation. It's super easy, right? I came up with a matching set that has sexy top with crisscross back ties and with matching pencil skirt. You can wear it individually just like what I did. I paired the top with black denim pants or include the pencil skirt to any of your formal attire. I'll bet you like it too. And if you do, please give this a thumbs up and don't forget also to subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell so you'll be updated in my coming DIYs. And I'll see you next time. Bye!